The Yawning Yak. Fluy, on another day, goes on a farm owned by her uncle's father, and her uncle. And there, where she meets many animals, finds a field full of yaks, and goes straight away and hides in the hair of one of them. In the hair of one of the yaks which she hides in the hair of one of the yaks which she hides in, she makes a cup of tea, warm raspberry, hot raspberry, and cold raspberry tea. Relaxed, standing, sitting, and lying down on the side of the hair in the yak. In a field where there are many yaks, Fluy goes to a farm, her uncle's farm, her uncle's father's farm, and her uncle's farm. Fluy goes to the field and finds a huge, light brown yak. Fluy, excited, goes and hides inside it. And playing in it, she comes with biscuits and chocolates and candies, first eating the biscuits one after the other while feeding the yak privately, then eating the chocolates and doing likewise, then eating the candy. But she's careful, for not all things that she would eat would be that which the yak would eat. A field of yaks. Fluy goes to a farm owned by her uncle's father and her uncle. On a field in the farm of the field, Fluy finds a field in much of its yield, a field of yaks, Fluy, in the field, goes along with a shield and hides inside another yak, and removes a bow and arrow and shoots birds from the sky, birds which were causing trouble whilst yet hiding inside the yak. When the birds were caught, food was made out of them, whilst she was inside the yak. Fluy, being familiar with many yaks, they began to look for her in times in which she heard them and in times in which they heard her voice. And because of this, Fluy was able to hide inside the fur of all the yaks, and none were able to find her when she leaves. And now I have a question for you. Why do you think I told you this story?